You guys ever do any nighttime planting? Well, my impatient self, I'm gonna try to do something because that's what I want to do. I have all these tomato plants that need to get transplanted into this garden bed. I don't have much light, but I do have. I do have my trusty headlamp, so that's what we gonna do right now. We gonna get these done. We gonna get these done by playing this. Oh my god, this thing. Now remember, I lost my other phone, so this is all I got to work with. Is this phone, and I want to get y'all this. I want to get y'all these shots of this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do it and see what happens. Fortunately, like I said, I lost my other phone, so I don't have a microphone attached to this or anything, but I do have my mycorrhizal, so I'm not gonna talk much. I'm just gonna put this down on film. And we're gonna get these tomatoes planted in here because it's nice out here tonight. And why not? I gotta get my tomatoes in the ground because it's May. Gotta get the tomatoes in the ground. Let's go. So since we got that one already in the ground, I'm not gonna care nothing about no space. I'm about to be disrespectful. This is the queen of the night though. I like this one a lot. So I'm gonna make sure I get this one right next to a post. Probably gonna put you right here. I gotta get a hole. Ooh, it's kind of dry. Sorry for long. Get a hole big enough for this pot right here that I got. Get my trusty mycorrhizal. I mean, I don't know if you can see this, but this is more than ready to go into the ground. Take my point of the nightstick, put that up there. Break that up a little bit, even on YouTube. Not bad root system. That's not deep enough. So I got it deep in there. Mycorrhizal. It's also a windy night. So I'm gonna get that in there like that. So I think you don't like this transition very much, but it's okay. Now, backfill. Hear bats flying around my head. Mark you, Shelly, queen of the night. So as you know, I don't break them in or none of that stuff. I don't harden off. I'm gonna just put this out here and see what happens. Get this guy right here, don't know what it is. But I feel like you'd like to be right here. Luckily, it's a solo cup, so it is not as crazy, but it's a long tomato, so I want to get it deep in there. Mycorrhizal. That's what you call nighttime playing. For real, for real, for real. So I got this one. This one gotta get in here. So I gotta hit this one. I think this one's gonna go. Shoot, I don't even know. We'll probably put this big one right here next to this big one. That looks about right. This is chaotic. Where to put you? You right there. I'm gonna put an eggplant. One eggplant back there. It's a coyote. Yeah, them coyotes gotta check with my dog. Hear them yotes? So get that hole like that. Get it pretty deep. Nighttime gardener, baby. I spilled the mycorrhizal. That ain't no good, Tony. So I got those in. Looks of it, I still got a few more. This was the Ruby's green tomato right here. That's a big green tomato. Let's get these planted. This bed is kind of dry, so take care of that. If I don't do it tonight, I'll do it in the morning because it's getting pretty late. Who else you know garden at night? Let me know. I'm gonna go ahead and stick this one right here in the middle. Again, I'm not respecting space whatsoever. I'm just excited to get these tomatoes in the ground or in the bed, in the raised bed. No microphone. Don't got my phone. The roots of that. You got my trellis up though. Save my cups because I cut holes on them so I can save them. These bags though, they go to recycling. Okay, over here. Tomorrow I'm gonna come back and manicure things. Now let's switch around to this side. Now here, since I got that one right there. Oh. Put this one right here though. Yeah, let's put it right there. I don't know where to put it, so I'm gonna put it next to this post right here. I have this eggplant. I'm gonna put it in the corner right here. Two spaces at the same time. Let's go. Basically, this early girl right here, it's been here for a few months. She'll be getting out of here soon. Pretty wet from stock, but it's okay. That in there. One more. Dying to do this. You had to do this tonight. Dying to do it. I had to do it tonight. Couldn't wait till tomorrow morning. Also, didn't think it was gonna get dark that quick, but it did get dark. But, like I said, I got this here eggplant. Got some roots on it. It's pretty dry though. Ooh, look at the roots on that there. This is dry. But I got it in there anyway. I mean, now this bed is pretty much planted. All these tomatoes. So my tomato bed with an eggplant. This has been Nighttime Gardening with Tony, and thank you for watching. Just make sure. We'll see how these look in the morning. Oh yeah, y'all remember that one that was bent up and broken? Look at it, still thriving, still climbing, still thriving. That's what's up. We're gonna see what happens with you. I should water these in, but I'm not. I'm gonna wait till tomorrow morning. I'm gonna water everything in, because then I'm gonna plant this pepper bed in the morning, so that's what. But my impatient self had to get these tomatoes in, so I did, and this is where I am. All right. Until tomorrow.